Hello guys, welcome back. Konnichiwa, herzlich willkommen. So my friends, let's talk about Faraday Future, ticker FFAI. The ticker changed, guys, from FFIE to FFAI a couple of weeks ago. We have here a bullish price action now 8% plus, and we're trading above, guys, above the bullish support price range. So let's talk about the price levels. Let's see if Faraday Future can start to squeeze now, or if the squeeze have already been started. So I give you all the updated price levels. As you know, this is not financial advice. Yo guys, the market is pumping. Yeah, take advantage of that. We have a lot of short squeezes here, so very good if you see stocks like that with a high squeeze potential which didn't squeeze yet. We waiting here for the post squeeze for Faraday Future. I show you here now the price levels. I also, guys, upload here a lot of short squeeze stocks on Patreon. Also these ticker squeeze. So if you're waiting for a squeeze, if you're back holding a stock and you get tired and boring, guys, we have so many squeeze opportunities in the market, and I always try to predict short squeezes. This is, that makes no sense to talk about a stock which is already squeezing. People FOMO in and lose all their money. This is just stupid. You have to be smart. You have to follow the smart money, and the market makers always buy the dip before the rip. This is one example here, which we had last week, a squeeze of 138%. And I also mentioned here to my members that we have here an open gap marked by the orange line. So I posted this ticker on Patreon here. One day later, the open gap has been filled, and one day after that, the short squeeze started, guys, and we squeezed here in just 3 trading days. You can see I posted 20th of May, 23rd of May, 138%. Same day, we had also one more short squeeze here of 152%. Same here, I posted that on Patreon, guys. Here was the exit zone, or let's see the lowest price level, which I expected here, the yellow box, guys, and this ticker also started to squeeze just one day after my post. 152%. There is no guarantee, of course. Yeah, not all tickers squeeze, guys, but we have a lot of short squeezes here. So if you want to see those short squeeze stocks, you can join us here on Patreon. The full package membership is the most popular membership which I have, where every day new members joining in. So we have a lot of powerful knowledge here on board, since we're growing and growing every day. You not only get access here to my short squeeze stocks, also to my trading tutorials. So if you're stuck in trading, if you don't know how to start, which broker, how to spot short squeeze plays, or if you're an advanced trader, which indicators work, how to spot trend lines, and so on, I have all these tutorials available here on Patreon. The link patreon.com/blackbelttrader is also available here in the video description. So guys, the market makers always give us some hidden hints what happens next. We have still one open gap here in the chart for Faraday Future, or let's say the closest open gap is at $1.57. And if you have seen my previous videos on Faraday Future, then you already know that I expect here a post squeeze, and I also show you now the price goals. They have not changed, of course, if you already know my last videos. I made already here some member exclusive updates on Patreon, so my members can ask me here for tickers which they want to see, and I do updates on them. And I said already here some weeks ago that we have here the algo demand zone, where I expect a squeeze to start between 97 cents and 93 cents, guys. This blue box here is the squeeze trigger zone. Yes, the market makers can bring the price lower. This is of course possible, but that does not mean that these technicals are not in play anymore. As you can see, we had here this shakeout, immediately come back, and then for 2 days the market makers, tried to keep the price here below 93 cents, and the reaction is now that we came back with a small squeeze here, a technical pump of 66%, and we start to come back over our main algo demand liquidity zone, which is $1.25. This algo demand zone, guys, is very important because it can act like a short squeeze trigger. Finally, yesterday we have some volume. You can see how beautiful the volume is picking up here for Faraday Future. That looks really, really good. I like that, but we need more volume to force a short squeeze. So what is the difference now between an algo squeeze and a short squeeze? The market makers create these price actions here, guys. This is high volatile shit what you see here. When you want to trade Faraday Future or similar stocks, you have to know what you do. That's why I give you a lot of advices on Patreon, but of course this is not financial advice. This is really for smart people here. Quick in, quick out plays, make huge profits in a very short period of time. But as I said, you need to know what to do. And this price candle here, for example, 300%, like nothing, came back very quick, and this is why we know that the market makers did some, I don't want to say illegal things, guys, of course not, but they did some tricks here to make this happen, and we know that they have to, fulfill what happened here. They have to, long story short, in my opinion, guys, Faraday Future has to come back here to $2.39. As I said, we have this open gap at $1.57. This is the first price goal, and the second price goal is $2.39. That doesn't sound like a short squeeze, and it's not a short squeeze. This is an algo squeeze, and that's why we have here a total squeeze range of 187%. This is the lowest what I expect, guys. Yeah, 187%. If this is here the bottom, this is the lowest price range which I expect. And when we talk about a short squeeze, Faraday Future has to do one thing. It has to stay above $2.15. And as soon as Faraday Future can break $3.47 here, this red box, but especially $3.47, this is the, let's call it, most bearish resistance which we have. When we can break this resistance here, sorry, with volume, then Faraday Future finally can start to lift off and short squeeze, because we can see that here. I will show you that in the chart. This is not difficult to see. Everybody who knows how chart technique works can see that as soon as Faraday Future breaks $3.47, we have this pump reactions here, fake outs, yes, but the main trigger is $3.47. This is where the trading algo snapping in and create these volatile price moves, and that's why if we want to see a short squeeze for Faraday Future, a big algo squeeze, we have to break $3.47. Very simple, guys. What is the price goal to the upside? There are not so many resistance price levels, to be honest. I think that Faraday Future can even come back here in the $10 range. This is possible technically. Of course, it is also possible to go higher because we have some open business in the chart. But when we see the things what they're doing, maybe dilution and stuff like that. So that's why I think as soon as we break $3.47, we can talk about a short squeeze scenario here. And if this happens, guys, I will let you know, of course, all the price levels to the upside. So what you have to watch out right now is that Faraday Future stays above $1.25. This is very important. I switch now back here to the 4 hours chart to check if we have some open down gaps. No, guys, Faraday Future is not gapping up. This is really good. Really positive to not have open down gaps. People always think when a stock is gapping up that this is bullish. No, guys, for high volatile stocks this is not bullish, and this is what we want to see, that the price comes naturally back over $1. Also, Faraday Future announced that they will try to bring the price back over $1 without a stock split, and it seems that they try to do that successfully. Let's wait here for the price action, but keep in mind the next price goal is $1.57 and $2.39. Especially $2.15 is a very strong support or resistance. So if we can break this level here with volume, then it is very possible that we see $3.47 next for Faraday Future. My friends, if you want to copy here the price goals from this chart, this is everything based on TradingView, what you see here. This is the chart program, what I use for all my videos and all my trades. If you want to learn trading, guys, you can do two things. I cannot force you to nothing. It's your free decision. But first, join us on Patreon. You will learn a lot of things about trading, especially here in my tutorials. And second, guys, get yourself a good chart tool that you understand where the algos are waiting. It will help you to build your own trading strategy with entry and exit points and stuff like that. So for that, guys, you can use here the same program which I'm using. This is called TradingView. I have a discount link here in the video description. So if you want to start today, guys, click in the video description below to get yourself a TradingView discount link. My friends, that was the update on Faraday Future. I hope that was helpful. I thank you so much for your time. Thank you for watching this video. I wish you great success. I appreciate your support and see you in the next one. Arigatou gozaimasu. Vielen Dank. Alles Gute und bis zum nächsten Faraday Future Video. Take care. Bye bye, guys.